cat, boom, boom, cat, boom, cat, boom, boom, cat.
What's up, y'all? This is Vincanity, and welcome to VincaniTV, the channel that teaches you about breaking and the hip-hop culture. Today we're going to be working on another variation of the hook that we worked on recently in my online intermediate breaking class. It basically is kind of like the step that we learned last week, where we're just turning and doing hooks from a push-up position, but we're going to add a step to there where we go step and then hook. For me, it's very important for us to kind of explore all avenues of certain steps, especially basic steps like a hook. A lot of people will learn the basic step and literally just stick to that. But by exploring all avenues, possibilities, angles, positions of it, it really deepens your understanding of that move and really allows you to, get creative and really just have fun with that step when you're dancing. So today we're gonna practice hooks from the back. If you need extra help with your breaking, make sure you hop into my intermediate, beginner, or monthly masterclass by clicking on the link below. We do classes every single week. If you miss a class, you can rewatch it anytime you like. Also, if you want to show your support for this channel, you can do so by picking yourself up some VincaniTV merch. We have lots of stuff on there. We have stuff from sweaters, t-shirts, hoodies, all types of designs, everything that you need to make yourself look fashionably amazing. Lastly, gently tap the like button to help push the YouTube algorithm and help push this video to new audiences and share some valuable training and information. All right, without further ado, let's get started. All right, y'all, so this step actually has a lot of steps to it. However, it's really not that difficult of a pattern, but spending some time training the details of it is really gonna help us take it to the next level. This past month, we literally only trained footwork, and the whole goal is to really just push my students to get more comfortable utilizing some of these basics in their dancing. So when they go off on their own to get creative, they really have more options to use and just a deeper understanding. So this step in particular, I think, is important because it kind of just pushes, some of the basics just one notch. The step looks like this. We go step, hook, step, step. All right, pretty basic. Today we're gonna do 5 sets of 5 to really help reinforce some of the training that we did in my intermediate class, okay? This first round, let's focus on our hands and our feet, making sure that your hands stay on your inner knuckles and your feet stay on your toes. Don't drop to the side of your foot, don't drop your heel, don't do anything funky. Stick to your toes as closely as possible, okay? Here we go, round 1, starting position, and we go. Step, hook, step, back, step, hook, step, back. That's 1, step, hook, step, back, step, hook, step, back. That's 2, step, hook, step, back, step, hook, step, back. That's 3, step, hook, step, back, step, hook, step, back. That's 4, step, hook, step, back, step, hook, step, back. That's 5. Nice job, y'all. Everyone go ahead, relax your hands, relax your feet, take a deep breath in, breathe out, right? And if you're training in your house, again, a lot of this stuff is really good because it doesn't take a lot of space, right? You just need a little tiny, bubble around you to really practice a lot of these detailed footwork steps. And so if you don't have a lot of space, really just take it as an opportunity to practice some of these details, okay? So this next round, let's focus on that hook. The hook is the freeze and the highlight of this step. So if it's not clean, if it's not, precise, it could take away to how you do this, right? So let's try to explore all avenues. Do it from different heights, do it from different angles, and really, again, find what you like. Find what looks good on you, okay? Here we go, starting position. And we go, step, hook. We can hook straight up, step, back. Other side, step, hook. Going straight up, step, back. That's 1, step, hook. Again, we could go at kind of an angle this time. Step, back, step, hook, step, back. That's 2. Step, hook, kind of going downward more this time. Step, back, step, hook, step, back. That's 3. Step, hook, connecting your ankle to your knee. Step, back, step, hook, step, back. That's 4. Step, hook, step, back, step, hook, step, back. That's 5. Nice job, y'all. So everyone go ahead, relax for a second, catch your breath, let your hands rest. I feel like for a lot of these steps when we're going slow, your hands are gonna really start to be a little bit achy. So give yourself a chance to rest. If your knees are hurting, again, take a seat, stretch out your legs, stretch out your ankles. You know, we always wanna kind of recover between our practicing because we don't wanna, you know, end up with an injury or, you know, a cramped muscle or something that, you know, could prevent us from training the next day. So make sure you're always considerate to your body. We want to push ourselves, but we don't want to hurt ourselves. Okay? So this next round, a detail to also be aware for this step is your feet. Sometimes you'll see people dragging their feet in footwork, and sometimes it could be cool, right? And sometimes if it's intentional, you could do something pretty cool. But when you drag it too much, you tend to end up with kind of sloppy footwork. So this time, let's really focus on the steps, right? Step, 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 back, making sure that they're individual steps, not actually dragging, right? If you hear a shh with your step, that could be a sign that you're dragging your feet. Also, if you see a lot of wear and tear on your shoes, as mine are, might be a sign. My wear and tear is because I wear these shoes every single day when I'm teaching. 5 days a week teaching, 3 days a week training. So yeah, they take a lot. I probably need some new shoes. They kind of talk a little bit now. Hashtag get your boy some new shoes. Anyways, let's get to the next rep. Starting out, we go step, making sure that's actual step, hook, step, back. Again, step, hook, step, back. Again, that's 1, step, hook, step, back, step, hook, step, back. That's 2, step, hook, step, back, step, hook, step, back. That's 3, step, hook, step, back, step, hook, step, back. That's 4, step, hook, step, back, step, hook, step, back. That's 5. Nice job, y'all. Okay, so next round, again, let's work on the rhythm, okay? Just like we've done in the past. Let's do that. Step, step, and really add that kick back. Boom, okay? Really allowing us to kind of work on the flow of this move, okay? Starting position, step, hook, kick, back. Again, step, hook, kick, back. Again, step, hook, kick, back. And step, hook, step, back. That's 2, step, hook, step, back, step, hook, step, back. That's 3, step, hook, step, back, step, hook, step, back. That's 4, step, hook, step, back, step, hook, step, back. That's 5. Nice job, y'all. Again, make a fist, roll your wrists out, go both directions, wiggle them out, shake them out, and we're gonna do our last and final set. This last repetition, let's really pay attention to the rhythm of this move, making sure we're following some kind of beat, whether it's in our head or actually listening to music. Think of the form of your hands, feet, legs, and body. Here we go. Ready? Starting position, and it's gonna go boom, cat, boom, 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 cat, boom, boom, cat, boom, cat, boom, boom, cat, boom, cat, boom, boom, cat. That's 2, boom, cat, boom, 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 cat, boom, boom, cat. That's 3, boom, cat, boom, boom, cat, boom, cat,
boom, boom, cat. That's 4, boom, cat, boom, boom, cat, boom, cat, boom, boom, cat. That's 5. Woo!
Awesome job, y'all. Make sure that you practice this step. Get comfortable with the step. And as always, apply it to your dancing. Work on it with music. Move around with it. Switch it up. Add it to some of the other steps that you have learned or you're currently working on. If you need extra help with your dancing, make sure you click the link below. Hop into one of my beginner or intermediate breaking classes. We do online classes every single week on Tuesdays at 4 p.m. Pacific Standard Time and 5 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. If you miss a class, you can rewatch them at any time you like, especially if you live in another time zone or on the other side of the world. This next month, we're gonna be working on a lot of fun stuff, so hop in whenever you want. Last but not least, pick yourself up some VincaniTV merch listed on my website. We have a lot of designs, a lot of different types of clothing garments, from whether you live in tropical conditions and need a t-shirt, or you live in the freezing cold where it's snowing and need a sweater. Check out my site and pick up some merch today. Lastly, make sure you press like, favorite, and leave me a comment about what you want to see next to help push this video to new audiences. All right, thank you all for watching, and I'll catch y'all next time. Peace.